Hi everyone, welcome to CIRCIUT. This video we are going to make a simple laser security system. Before going to work, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please subscribe the channel now and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Also like and share this video. So let's get into it. This is the circuit diagram. You can find the circuit diagram at the video description. These are the components we need to make the laser security system. Before going to done the work on a PCB, we need to complete the work on a breadboard. Insert the LM358 IC and the 555 IC on a breadboard. Insert the 10K potentiometer. This is the LDR. Insert it to the breadboard. Let's complete the circuit as per the circuit diagram. This circuit works on 5V DC. So we are using 7805 regulator IC for 5V output. Connect the battery . And adjust the potentiometer to proper position. The timer circuit will get activated when anything obstructs the light to the LDR. Basically, the circuit works with the light intensity. By using the potentiometer, we are adjusting the light sensitivity of the circuit. Now we can build it on a PCB. Insert the IC holders and solder it to the PCB properly. Insert the potentiometer terminals and solder it. Connect the LDR to the PCB. Insert all the components to the PCB and solder it properly. After soldering, this is how the circuit look like. Insert the LM358 IC and the 555 timer IC in the IC holder. Let's check the circuit if all things are working well. We need a PVC box for placing the PCB. I have marked a rectangle for placing the switch. I have made the hole and placed the switch. I also marked 2 points here for placing the LEDs and one here for placing the LDR. I have made these holes. Let's place the PCB into the box. Place the LEDs and the LDR in the holes. And glue it well. Then take the cover of the PVC box and mark 2 points like this and make holes. I have made 2 holes. Let's place the potentiometer in one hole and tight it well. The other hole is for placing the buzzer. Now we have to connect the switch to the circuit. Let's pull out the switch. Take the red wire of the battery connector and cut it into 2 pieces. So I have cut the wire and solder the wire to the switch. Take the battery, paste the two-sided tape on the battery and fix it in the box. So we have completed all tips. Let's close the box. We have completed our project. Take pieces of two-sided tape and place it like this. Then place the box on the wall. Then we need a laser torch. This one is very cheap in market. Take some duct tape and stick around the laser torch to push the switch inward. Then place the laser torch on the opposite side of the circuit board. Make sure that the laser beam is incident on the LDR. Adjust the potentiometer to proper position. That's all. Our laser security system is done. That's all for the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.